What's going on today, boys? Today we're trying to get our 300ZX running minty.
Super minty.
Super minty. We're running to go and grab a new battery because the one that the guy gave us it with is absolutely cooked.
It's pooched.
And we're gonna look for some spark plugs too. I got my 300ZX working on outfit on that I always wear when we're working on that piece of shit, so hopefully she goes good like she did. God, last time we worked on that thing, it went great, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We actually didn't even work on it. We just the 300ZX gods just helped us out, so
magically started, and then we just gave her vacuum.
Hell,
we were expecting a whole lot more that day.
I'll keep you updated on how she goes.
All right, boys, we're at Mike's Auto. We're about to get a battery. And hopefully they got one, right, Yoder?
Hopefully.
Alright, boys, well, we just got a new battery back there. Hopefully she's mint. She's a little bit bigger.
35 bones.
Yeah, 35 bucks, a lot cheaper than a brand new one. So yeah, hopefully she's mint. She's a little bit bigger.
Decent.
A little bit taller. Hopefully a little bit more juice in her. Because we need her to start like a beauty. Alright, so we just got some spark plugs from CarQuest, and they're not coming in until tomorrow. Right now, all we're gonna do is put in the battery, see if it fits because of how big it is.
I was cooking on the way up here.
What do you mean?
I was flying.
Were ya?
I just felt like
Then why didn't you beat me, bud?
I know, I just got up here.
Beauty battery right here.
Well, boys, our battery's in. It fits beauty. Fortunately, they didn't have any spark plugs at the store, so we're gonna pick them up tomorrow. Probably throw them in Thursday or so. Pretty decent. Hopefully, this thing runs minty afterwards. The fake turbo valve cover. I wish it was turbo. Let's give you a nice look of our car. Looks alright from the outside, but on the inside it's a little cooked, and I mean the motor's iffy, so we're just gonna try our best.
Alright, boy, she ain't starting for us today.
You think we're out of gas?
I doubt it. Give her a little crank. Yeah.
He doesn't seem.
Hey guys, so Yoder just dropped off the spark plugs for the 300ZX, and yeah, so hopefully those go in today and make the car run a lot better, because it doesn't run too good. It doesn't even want to run right now. And yeah, so I'm gonna take off all the boots. They are sitting right there. And then they're just everywhere. I don't know. It's gonna be a bit of a pain, but we'll get her done. Alright, so quick little update. So I got all the boots finally out. This one was a pain. So are the other two on this side. So this one here, this one, and then these other three on this side weren't so bad. So I got the first three out with just normally in those, and the other ones were so far down there that I couldn't even get them. So then I went to Canadian Tire and bought these, and I had them out within like 30 seconds. I also had to take out these 10mm bolts just right there that were holding these cables, just so that I could get down there with the needle nose. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go grab the air compressor and just blow out everything in there, make sure all the dust is kind of like blown out, all the dust and dirt, and then take out plugs and put in new ones, and hopefully she's mint for once. Alright, so I just took out this plug and it was like threaded in, like a thread if anything. It was barely in there. So yeah, I'm gonna continue taking all these plugs out and then swapping them in for the new ones. They are NGK BCPR 6E11s. So hopefully they'll do the trick, boys. Alright, so here's some of the old plugs for reference. Now we got these nice new NGK plugs. So I imagine if it ran before with these, it's gonna run mint now. So yeah, I'm just about to put in my last plug and all my coil packs are back on and all that, and yep, once that's done, hook up the battery and see if she rips. Alright, so the car is fully back together and now just gonna hook up the battery. She's running, boys. She's going. She's going. She's going. She's going. So the car's running and Yoder is on his way up. He's about to come see it. Now I'm just kind of cleaning up over here. Car's parked way up there now, so it's good. Probably gonna list it tonight on Kijiji. So yeah. Yoder, what do you think, buddy?
I think it's pretty minty. The fact that she drives is insane.
Yoder's putting a little bit of gas in her.
Oh, yeah.
And he wants to take her out for a rip.
Give her a little juice. I think it is running better. Like, cause when I was giving it gas, it wasn't breaking up anymore.
Yeah. We'll see how much power it kind of has.
That's true, honestly. We definitely didn't experience the full 3-liter power.
No, we didn't. Alright, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
What kind of... What? Yoder, what do you do?
What the fuck? The battery die? What the fuck? What happened?
Pushing the clutch all the way, make sure.
It's all the way in. What the fuck?
No!
What the fuck would happen in 2 minutes? The battery died?
I doubt it.
But, like, these are still all working. It's in neutral. Watch it in. What the fuck is that? It's not even engaging the start or anything.
Nope. Sick.
What the fuck? What goes on, dude? Okay, you have that little jumper thing?